Earthworms are harmless, often beneficial residents of the soil. Earthworms break down dead and decaying organic matter into rich humus soil, thereby supporting plant growth. They also dig tiny channels and make holes that aerate soil and improve drainage. Earthworms don't have lungs, they breathe through their skin. Now the question here is, are earthworms good or bad? Studies of earthworms in agricultural settings have found that earthworms' burrows can improve water infiltration and soil aeration. Earthworm activity can also relieve compaction and make nutrients available to plants. Their nutrition comes from things in the soil such as decaying roots and leaves. The benefits of earthworms to soil health are many. Some of this includes increasing soil fertility, improving soil drainage, breaking the thatch, improving soil structure, getting deep root growth, and repairing damaged soil. The earthworm has no eyes, yet they can tell light from dark. They have no ears, yet they can sense the vibration of sound. They have no nose, yet they can smell and taste which foods to eat. The earthworm skin provides a sense of touch. Alright guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated. I will be seeing you on a new video.